Welcome to Dan the Cleaning Man channel, where we take the hassle out of cleaning. Today, we're tackling one of the most frustrating parts of home maintenance, dirty grout. If your floors are looking dull, dingy, or just plain tired, don't worry, we've got you covered. And the star of today's show is the incredible $15 Grout cleaning brush that's taking the cleaning world by storm. It's affordable, effective, and best of all, it's about to transform your floors. So why are we all talking about grout lately? Grout, that little line between your tiles, can make or break the look of your entire floor. Over time, it collects dirt, stains, and grime, which makes your floors look much older than they really are. But here's the kicker. Cleaning grout doesn't have to be difficult or expensive. Let's dive into how this $15 brush can take your floors from drab to fab in just a few easy steps. Step 1. Prepping the area. First things first, before you even touch the grout brush, make sure your floor is swept or vacuumed. You don't want to scrub dirt and dust into the grout. That'll just create more work for you. Next, grab your $15 grout cleaning brush. It's designed with stiff, angled bristles to get deep into those grout lines, loosening dirt and grime without damaging your tile. Step 2. Applying your cleaner. You can either use a store-bought grout cleaner or mix up a DIY solution. A simple but effective homemade mix is equal parts water and white vinegar, with a squeeze of dish soap. Trust me, it works wonders. Spray or pour your solution directly onto the grout. Let it sit for about 5 minutes to really soak into the stains. This will help break up the dirt and make the scrubbing part much easier. Step 3. Scrubbing like a pro. Take your brush and start scrubbing along the grout lines, applying steady pressure. You don't need to scrub like you're trying to erase a marker from a whiteboard. Let the bristles do the work. You'll notice the dirt start lifting immediately. Don't worry if it looks messy. That just means the grime is coming out. Step 4. Rinse and reveal. Once you've finished scrubbing, wipe the area with a damp cloth or mop to remove the loosened dirt and cleaning solution. Then, take a step back and admire your work. You'll be amazed at how much brighter and cleaner your grout looks. Extra tips to maximize your results. Want to take it a step further? After cleaning, you can seal the grout with a grout sealer to protect it from future stains. This adds a layer of protection, making future cleanings even easier. And of course, if you have particularly stubborn stains, you can use a grout whitening pen to give those lines a fresh, crisp look. Before and after transformation. I know what you're thinking. Does it really make that big of a difference? Trust me, the results speak for themselves. Just look at these before and after shots. The difference is like night and day. The tile looks brand new, and the grout is practically glowing, wrapping it up. So, whether you're dealing with years of built-up grime or just want to give your floors a fresh new look, this $15 grout cleaning brush is an absolute game changer. It's affordable, easy to use, and best of all, it delivers real results without breaking your back or your bank. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, share your own grout cleaning success stories in the comments, and of course, subscribe for more cleaning hacks and tips. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep those floors sparkling.